Feeling mata borong have you ever thought of owning 2,000 Mercedes-Benz and Lamborghini? I decide to have a nice Ferrari. Empty pocket, zero balance, zero balance in my bank account. I'm the second free boy. I live in Caribbean alone. Oh brother, oh sister, you know what? You need the hardest of the day. I heard my someone to She's not from India, India can tell you anything. There is a problem of transportation, etc. But the big problem is money. I'm the second boy. Oh brother, oh sister, nah to London na may tuman. Have you ever thought of going London and New York City? Very, very nice place and costly. I wanted to go to London and New York City. Utang ka problem. Thank you.